Ever wonder why you feel like you can breathe easier, focus better, and simply be happier in a room full of nature? Well, turns out these pearls have existed long before our seemingly newfound appreciation for large spaces. Here are 5 benefits of indoor plants. Before we start, remember to click like, share, and subscribe. Let's start. First, improve air quality. Research shows that indoor plants help rid the air of common toxins and indoor pollutants such as formaldehyde and benzene. Second, they make any room more comfortable. Before you fill a space with furniture and accessories, take some time to think about how you want to feel in that room and how plants might help you achieve that vibe. Third, improve your sense of well-being. Studies have shown that indoor plants can improve focus, decrease depressive moods, and lessen symptoms of anxiety. Do you want to know more? Let's continue. Fourth, plants help lower background noise. Plants have long been used to reduce noise from busy roads. That plants and their leaves can absorb, diffract, or reflect background noise, thereby making the environment more comfortable for the occupants. Fifth, working with plants can be therapeutic. For people experiencing the symptoms of mental illness, indoor gardening can be helpful. Researchers trusted sources have used horticultural therapy to increase feelings of well-being among people with depression, anxiety, dementia, and other conditions. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.